morning, ma'am.
Morning, hon. What you looking at?
Check the recap last night. Okay, look at this. Donnie!
You ready to go? All right, let's go. Come on. You got everything?
Yeah.
You sure?
Hi, honey.
Can I borrow the car?
Let me check the weather. It's supposed to start raining at about 10 o'clock.
Don't worry, I'll be home before then.
Oh, really? Because 2 nights ago, you got in at 12:30.
I know, I promise I'll be home before then.
Okay, be safe. Right here.
Oh, look at the sunflower. It's cute.
Hey,
Hey, Dad.
what do you think of this?
Great, I love it. Can I try it?
Yeah, let's go. Be careful.
Be
careful.
Dad. Whoa.
Be careful.